new survey finds that 55% of UK employees think businesses are not doing enough to tackle climate change.
It's time for action. My name's Cristiano, founder of Pawprint. Our mission is empowering people to fight climate change at home, at work and beyond. Employee engagement is a multi-billion-dollar industry worldwide, and we're primed and ready. Our aspiration is to build a business of real scale in the UK, the EU and the US. Even 1% of those markets would have real impact in the fight against climate change, not only directly on people's emissions, but also acting as a catalyst for some of the world's largest companies to accelerate their transition to a low-carbon future.
Since our last investment round, we've grown the Pawprint team. It now consists of 2 ex-unicorn execs and 3 proven entrepreneurs. More than that, we've launched Pawprint for Business.
We've signed up 25 clients already, including Aberdeen, Visit Scotland, Royal London Group and Tesco Bank, with lots more exciting deals still in the pipeline.
Putting the principles of behavioural science into practice, we're helping businesses harness their people power to bring about real, sustainable change in the workplace.
First up, we calculate people's carbon footprint, or Pawprint, as we like to call it, by asking them a series of questions about their travel, diet, home, spending, and at-work habits.
Having these at-work numbers allows organisations to understand where they can make the biggest difference.
Teams and leaderboards encourage groups to work together or compete to reduce their carbon footprint.
Employees that reduce their footprint also gain Paw Points, which can be used to vote for the eco-charities that we donate to each month.
Since the launch of Pawprint, users have collectively taken over 30,000 carbon-saving actions.
We're not stopping there though. We want to scale this impact globally. That's why we're asking you to invest, to propel us into the next stage of our growth.
I'm always looking to make a return on my investment. I often look at global megatrends. There is no bigger megatrend than climate change.
There is such an opportunity around this particular area. The companies that get in early, invest to cement their competitive advantage are going to be the big winners.
A very unique combination of skills, experience of people going through scaling a company. So much of that talent within one small team is incredible.
For me, this is an interesting financial opportunity, but more importantly, it's the right thing to do.
By supporting Pawprint, you'll be helping us tap into significant opportunities.
It's time for action. Empower people to fight climate change by investing in Pawprint today.